Guess what? There's a way to download an LLM to your local computer and run AI questions like ChatGPT, but it's a non-censored AI called Brighteon.ai, and you run it on your local computer and you download it. It's totally private because you can use it even without the internet, so nobody knows what questions you're asking. So it's a little complicated, so I'm going to explain how it works to install it. The trickiest part for me was the directory structure. You have to choose a directory structure in your computer. As this example, I put Projects AI. Under there, you have to write LM Studio Community, like in this image. And then the directory name has to be the name of the file. And then under there, you will download the file. This may change at the time that you're installing. But come back to this screen and look at it. Then you have to go to LM Studio and download the LM Studio for your computer, Windows or Mac, whatever you have. The next step is to download from Brighteon.ai, and I put a circle around the one that worked for me to download. Once you've downloaded it, you go to the LM Studio and you change the directory and your file should show up, and then you change the drop-down as above. The next step is to click on the little bubble on the left of the LM Studio, and then on the top you choose to use the LM that you have downloaded, and then it starts working. So I put some sample questions and answers. You can stop the screen and look and see the answers. Seem to be something that you will not get from regular LLMs like ChatGPT. There is more information on Brighteon.ai, and please feel free to ask me more questions. I can help you if you need help.